Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
The best hair growth recipe leaves all doctors with open mouth. People who suffer from hair loss, baldness are desperately looking for treatments to promise hair growth. Some of such people go for cosmetic treatments or hair transplantation, which is very expensive process with no guarantee of success. How about a natural process which boosts the hair growth and takes care of the health of your hair as well? Sound exciting, isn't it? Look in detail the hair growth recipe which will help you to get thick and healthy hair. Hair growth recipe. The hair growth recipe is very effective to regrow the hair in a short period of time. People commonly lose 5,100 hair every day, which actually remains unnoticed. But when people start finding bald patches on their scalp, they start worrying about the hair fall. Now, you don't have to worry about the hair fall, as the homemade natural remedy is here for your rescue. Things you need: beer 1/2 glass, banana 1/2 piece, organic honey -1 tablespoon, egg yolk 1. Process: take 1 egg yolk and beat it properly. Chop the 1/2 banana into small pieces. Now, egg yolk and banana in the blender. Add 1/2 glass of beer and 1 tablespoon of honey to it. Blend it properly to get smooth paste for application. How to use this remedy? The application of the remedy is very simple and easy process. 1. Once the paste is ready, apply it on your scalp using your fingertips. 2. Apply on the bald patch and the area where the hair has become thin. 3. Allow it to remain for 2-3 hours. 4. Wash the hair with cold water and shampoo. Rinse twice to remove the mask. You might feel heat or warmness on your head when the hair mask is applied. Don't worry about it. The rise in heat indicates that the mixture is penetrating in the skin. It is a good sign and it will pass on. Use this remedy regularly for 7 days to get thick and healthy hair. The hair fall to go down and slowly the bald patches will vanish.